Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice?
Can you hear my voice? It's there for all to hear.
The Sound Voice project is an immersive digital performance installation exploring powerful stories of voice loss. The work is created through unique collaborations with partners in the arts, healthcare, digital, technology, science, biomedical research and people with lived experience of voice loss. The project explores how digital technology can be central to storytelling in a variety of different ways. Audiences are immersed in the narratives through beautiful sound design and video design, and we've used digital technology in the process of making the work, experimenting with new ways to tell stories. Groundbreaking technology using the electrospit, speech-to-song modelling and digital voice synthesis. The FEDORA Prize and this crowdfunding campaign enables us to build the next ambitious chapter of the Sound Voice project, inviting audiences from across the globe to contribute their own unique voices to an ever-changing, organically growing new digital work called The Singing Willow. The Singing Willow will be created in partnership with 4 hospitals across the UK and through a series of creative collaboration workshops with healthcare and technology professionals, and a series of facilitated physical spaces designed to support and stimulate dialogue about voice and identity. The new work transforms and expands an original chamber piece, The Willow Tree, created through hours of dialogue with people living with Parkinson's disease. Sound Voice create exceptional works of art through unique interdisciplinary collaborations, accelerating and transforming practice, demonstrating why the arts and artists are catalysts for multi-sector innovation and positive social change.